Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to refill your Zippo lighter. So the first things you'll need is obviously your Zippo lighter, and then you'll need some lighter fuel and something with a good edge. I'm going to use a pocket knife. I think that's one of the easiest things. And so you're going to take your Zippo, open it up, and you're going to slide out the actual lighter part from your casing. So you're going to leave the little lever down, and then we're going to turn it over, and there's this felt padding. We're going to lift that up, and inside there's these rayon balls, and we're going to add lighter fluid to that. So first, let's take your knife, and we're going to open the fuel canister. So you can use a coin or something else like that. I'm using a knife. You're going to get under there with the edge, lift that up. And then you're going to take your Zippo lighter, and we have to lift up the felt. You can use a paper clip or tweezers or something like that. I think a knife is one of the easiest ways. So we're going to lift that up. And when you lift it, you can see the rayon balls inside. They look like cotton balls. And so that's what absorbs the lighter fluid. And so we're going to pour that in there. Just take your fluid, add it in, then keep adding fluid until it looks like the balls are saturated. And then just close up the fuel, put the lighter back in the casing. All right, there you go. Now your Zippo should be ready to go. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.